Hi guys, I just found this today and I really had to share this with you. I've never seen something like that, and it could be a really good sales tip. I was looking for some kind of door seal, and yeah, then I saw this picture and I thought, yeah, okay, that's a door seal, but what's that? Why do you need USB power for a door seal? I've never seen something like that, and I was looking into that more deeply, more pictures. Yeah, here the door seal, nothing about USB. Here same thing from the side, no USB, nothing, really nothing to see. And I was wondering, yeah, what's that? Why do we need that? And then the last picture I saw, this just a bonus. It's a bonus, has nothing to do with the door seal, really nothing, but it's nice. It's a gadget. Men like gadgets. Men are buying door seals, and men like gadgets. But if you just buy something like that, maybe your wife will tell you, hey, you are wasting our money, why do you buy such silly things? And if you pay $25 on a door seal, yeah, in a sudden you just have the thing, and you don't have to tell your wife that you spent some money on such a silly thing. I don't think it's a great thing, but it doesn't have to be like this. It's just the idea to sell something with a nice gadget which you probably wouldn't buy or couldn't buy or whatsoever. So yeah, it's a nice idea. We have seen this before, and I don't know if it is allowed in every place. I think it doesn't work with sweets in US, so you're not allowed to buy or to sell sweets with toys or something like that. There are at least some restrictions, but a gadget with, or a tool with a gadget, something like that, probably will work. I don't see any problem about that, but it's really interesting to see it in such a combination. Usually I expected that with sweets and toys. At least in Europe it's possible, but yeah, what I have seen already in the US is a car dealer who is giving away a cruise when you buy a car, but definitely not in a hardware store. So you can actually almost combine every product with every other product. You have to find out who is buying and who will be attracted by the giveaway. Yeah, something like this was really surprising to see. So just wanted to share this with you. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.